Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best air filters for a home. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Blue Air Pure 211 Plus. The Blue Air Pure 211 Plus is suitable for larger rooms of up to 550 square feet, making it the largest one on this list. It has an upright cuboid design, a plastic top, and a skirt around the base that acts as a pre-filter. You can customize this skirt to suit your home's design and color scheme. This purifier achieves a 360 CADR for pollen, dust, and smoke, making it the strongest on the list. It also has 3 fan speeds that give you more purification range, an auto mode that self-corrects its speed to match the air quality, and a night mode that dims the unit's lights and reduces its noise so you can sleep. Finally, changing the filters on this air purifier is a breeze, requiring you to remove the top and swap out the old filters for new ones. Clorox Air Purifier. Unlike the Blue Air Pure 211 Plus, the Clorox air filter best suits small rooms. It measures 19 by 10 by 10 inches, enough to cover up to 320 square feet. Clorox air filter has a neat and almost cylindrical appearance. Its 11.6-pound weight makes it portable and easy to store. The top contains a touchscreen that gives you control over this appliance. There are also indicators for the fan and particulate levels. The particulate indicator includes 6 levels, with green meaning safe and maroon meaning unsafe. This air filter also has a timer that automatically turns off depending on the air quality. As a safety precaution, it turns off if your pet or child tips it over. Winix 5500-2. Winix 5500-2 is the middle child of this list. It measures 23.6 by 15 by 8.2 inches, enough to cover 360 square feet. Its black exterior lets it blend in with most decor. The Winix 5500-2 packs impressive features: 4 fan speeds, night mode, indicators, timer, and a remote control. It also features plasma wave technology, which releases hydroxyls that attach to neighboring molecules to purify the air faster. Finally, the carbon and pre-filters are washable, so you can extend their shelf life before replacing them. Which is the best? The Winix 5500-2 is the best home air filter. It covers most living spaces and packs impressive features. The remote control enhances its convenience, and the washable filters make it the best value for money. Thanks for watching.